Hi, I'm Raul, and this is my video for the activity part two of the activity of AI. Well, after working on the problems provided by the AI, specifically the ones related to CPatch from civil engineering, I realized that realistically I could attempt to solve them, but I know that not entirely correct. Maybe I could solve around like half of it, but definitely I would need some guidance, whether that's from professors, books, or some tutorials from YouTube or the internet. But I wouldn't be able to guarantee that the result is 100% accurate. I think this is mainly because I'm not fully familiar with the topic. I know that I did some research, but I'm the kind of person that I need to study the same concepts and the topics and a lot of times to fully understand it. Uh, However, since I'm a student of mechanical engineering, I think that I've seen the basics for most topics that are covered in other disciplines in engineering, like this one, civil engineering, because looking all the concepts from the topic on the problems, it's like it's using the capillary effect, but they use it at the macro scale instead of us that we often use it at the micro scale. That's why I think I could partially solve the problem, but still I couldn't be sure that the method that I've used or the final answer is completely correct. Now, from the assumptions made, I believe that they're valid because they help to simplify the problem as we sometimes do it. And I think that this is valid for because of the last point that I just made, because they analyze it at the macro scale, so they don't care about some details happen in in the micro scale. Uh, so yeah, I think the assumptions are acceptable. And now, to sum up, the way I usually use AI as a guide is to explore in depth in depth some topics that I've seen in classes, but I haven't understand it completely. Sometimes I use ChatGPT, like, hey, I've seen this topic, and I know that this is from this. I don't know, like TT theorem of Reynolds. I know that is some of forces and the other side from the fluids, but I don't understand entirely why. I don't know. The how to when to use the pressure or in what part. So that's when I use AI and at the same time to make some notes to later study. But that I'm not, I don't trust 100% of the info that the AI is giving me. So I so most of the time I usually search in another like books or ask to some professors to if if what the AI gave me is valid, is correct, or it's like the idea but not specifically accurate. So I think that after doing this analysis, I realized that I could take more advantage of that. Maybe by asking more questions, requesting more examples. Maybe I'm kind of a visual person, so some videos or some images. I think that helps me a lot. So or or give me some different approaches to that problem. Maybe I understand that and not the ones that we saw in class. So yeah, I think that I'll try to explore more topics more deeply and have more conversations with the AI, but always don't search for the second opinion or more info. Thanks. That's all.